because we believe that our leather can fit 100% to what is needed in the aviation market right now. We are producing leather in Italy. We are focused to be sustainable, starting more than 20 years ago. We present also lightweight material, very dedicated for the aviation industries. We work on a DANI agent, and we reach up than 20% less in density for ice, keeping the same mechanical resistance that we have for a standard nappa leather. Beautiful, very big. I'm proud to be here.